Proszę bardzo, specjalnie zamówiliśmy jeszcze kolejny pokaz. Specjalnie dla kanału po raz kolejny. Great, super. Wonderful. Wonderful. Night shift or you will end?
Swing shift.
Switch shift.
Yep.
Till which hour?
We started at 3 and we get done around 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Oh my god. Oh, in the Poland we have 8 hours shifts.
Okay.
And everything is depends, you know, 8 hour shifts, and you have 15 minutes to go to the headquarters. You had 20 go to do a little job, and you have 3 hours out. Another one. Yeah. Okay. You are highway patrol or regular or?
We are Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, so we are city and county.
Okay, understood.
We take care of all this. City of Las Vegas.
Okay. And outside the Las Vegas, you have other state troopers or something?
Yeah, they have the highway patrol and a couple other places. Yep.
Okay. May I record where you turn on your sirens? Oh, here on the top. On the top. It's probably a SmartSiren 2000. Could you turn for the purity tone?
What's that?
Priority. Yeah. Priority.
That's just the
You don't. Oh my. You don't have purity.
No.
It's.
You just have a manual and an air horn.
Yep.
And manual and air horn.
Yeah, so we can manually chirp our siren.
Yeah. And air horn.
That's what we have.
Just all?
That's it. Yep.
And regular whale, yelp and rest. You know,
yeah.
you just push button and it's working automatically. You don't have it?
Nope.
No.
Oh my
Turn
god.
the switch on and it goes.
Yep. Horn drive. Yep.
It's really strange because just in this car or you or in all of
cars.
all the cars?
Yep.
Oh my god. It's really strange. I know there is too much noise, but you can to program that SmartSiren too. But if you have during the pursuit or something, you should to have automatic.
So we have the whale and then we have our horn.
Our horn. Yeah.
Our horn changes the signal on it. And then
Oh yeah. Okay.
So
So.
whenever drive it, siren's on. We push our horn.
Okay, by the horn. Okay, I understood. That's the option. You changing the tones by the car horn. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you very much for the great recording.
You're welcome.
Best greetings from the Poland, the Polish police.
Take care. Okay. Have a good trip here.
Take care yourself, sir. No to mamy piękną nagrywkę. Prawie w Nowym Jorku. Był SmartSiren 2000 i Vision Bar. No i pięknie wiedzie nam na kanał. No właśnie mówiłem, że nic nie ma, także tutaj napadam na policjantów. Ale był troszeczkę inny ten radiowóz. Nie miałem tak dużo czasu, żeby go nagrać. No, dobrze. Schody. Odwieczny wróg. Atakujemy.